Amritsar is a city with captivating sights that narrate tales of its history, deep-rooted faith, and delectable cuisine. Picture strolling through streets where each corner whispers a story, be it the gleaming Golden Temple or the poignant Jallianwala Bagh. It feels like embarking on a journey brimming with discoveries and flavors waiting to be savored. Here are our picks for the top 5 must-visit attractions in Amritsar. Perfect for first-time visitors to experience the charm and essence of Punjab. Let's not forget the delights, a treat for your taste buds. In this guide, we'll unveil the 5 must-visit spots in Amritsar. Whether seeking enlightenment, historical insights, or simply craving food, Amritsar offers something unique for everyone. Discovering the Golden Temple, an enriching spiritual expedition in Amritsar. The Golden Temple, also recognized as Harmandir Sahib, offers more than a tourist spot in Amritsar. It provides a spiritual experience. This radiant temple, adorned with gold, resides amidst a pool of water. Individuals from different backgrounds visit this place to seek solace and inner peace, regardless of their faith. Upon entering the Golden Temple, you are greeted with melodies and heartfelt prayers that uplift your spirit. It's not about admiring its beauty, but about experiencing the warmth and affection emanating from everyone present. It's not just a site, but a place where you can find serenity and gain knowledge. Many individuals inquire about how to explore the Golden Temple. The ideal time to visit. When you're there, take a stroll around the lake, savor the complimentary meal at the Langar Hall, and delve into Sikh history. Finding peace at Harmandir Sahib, the best time to visit. When you go to the Golden Temple, also known as Harmandir Sahib, it's an experience. The ideal moments to explore this place are mornings or late evenings when there are fewer people around. Many individuals search for Golden Temple hours, or optimal time, for experiencing the tranquility of Harmandir Sahib to avoid the periods. Venturing during these hours allows you to truly embrace the peace and magnificence of the temple. You can witness the lights at night, catch the sunrise in the morning, making your visit even more memorable. Tasting serenity, langar experience at the Golden Temple. Experiencing the langar at the Golden Temple is a must for everyone. It involves sitting on the floor with visitors and enjoying a meal. This moment allows you to embrace tranquility and unity. Individuals from places often seek information on how to take part in the langar at Golden Temple. Golden Temple's free kitchen experience. The act of relishing the food prepared with care reflects the generous spirit of Punjab. It offers a perspective on equality, highlighting how everyone is treated equally regardless of their background. Exploring the past, the art collection at Harmandir Sahib. Inside the shining walls of Harmandir Sahib, also known as the Golden Temple, there's a hidden world of history waiting to be discovered. You'll find a museum that holds ancient artwork and tells stories of bravery, faith, and history that shaped the Sikh community. Every painting and artifact has a tale. From peaceful teachings to fierce battles, it's a journey not just through the temple's holy halls, but also back in time. This place isn't just for people who love old things. It's for anyone who loves stories that make your heart feel big and your mind wonder. Must-visit historical sites in Amritsar for history buffs. If you have a passion for history, visiting Amritsar is like stepping into a realm. It's a treasure trove of tales from eras, where every corner holds stories waiting to be discovered. Whether joyful or somber, each location narrates a chapter of the past. Amritsar vividly portrays the struggles and triumphs of the people in India, showcasing their fight for independence and the essence of their existence. Let's explore some places where history truly comes alive. If you yearn to immerse yourself in the narratives of culture and history, you've found your destination here. Commemorating the tragedy of Jallianwala Bagh, exploring India's quest for independence. The memorial in Jallianwala Bagh, Amritsar, is a landmark that holds great importance. It honors the events of 1919 when many innocent civilians gathered to support India's freedom from rule were met with harsh repression. Today, visitors can stroll through the gardens of the Bagh and witness the lasting reminders of that day. Bullet holes etched into the walls are a somber testament to the sacrifices made in the fight for independence. This site bears significance for Amritsar, serves as a powerful symbol of the unwavering courage and determination of the Indian people in their struggle for freedom. The Museum of Partition, delving into the consequences of the India-Pakistan split. The Partition Museum, located in Amritsar, narrates a tale of the division between India and Pakistan in 1947. It houses a collection of photographs, letters, and personal belongings of individuals who experienced that era. Visitors gain insight into the migration of millions of people and the impact it had on their lives. Those interested in exploring the aftermath of the India-Pakistan partition or delving into the history preserved at the Partition Museum often find this place deeply moving. It serves as a reminder of the significance of acknowledging our past amidst moments of sorrow. Historic Gobindgarh Fort, witnessing the strength of Punjab. The Gobindgarh Fort, A stronghold nestled in the heart of Amritsar, Punjab brims with captivating tales of the past and cultural importance. Initially constructed by the Gujjar Singh's army during the century, it was later reinforced under the reign of Maharaja Ranjit Singh. This fortress has been a witness to pivotal moments in history and has played diverse roles, transitioning from a military stronghold to housing the renowned Kohinoor diamond. Presently, Gobindgarh Fort welcomes visitors to delve into Punjab's history through exhibitions, shows, and enchanting sound and light displays. It stands proudly as a testament to Punjab's spirit and architectural grandeur. Unity and valor, the pulse of Wagah border ceremony. The Wagah border, serving as a connection between Amritsar and Lahore, serves as a reminder of the partition that separated India and Pakistan. Positioned about 29 kilometers from Amritsar and 24 kilometers from Lahore, this border is well known for its flag-lowering ceremony. This event attracts audiences from both nations, displaying a combination of precision and cultural grandeur. The ceremony represents a mix of competition and camaraderie, making it a must-see for tourists in both Amritsar and Lahore. The Wagah border holds significance as a symbol of both separation and togetherness between the two countries. Amritsar greets everyone warmly, encouraging you to discover its hidden gems, savor its delights, and immerse yourself in its culture. Remember, the essence of experiencing Amritsar lies not in observing, but in actively engaging. Indulge in the cuisine and engage with the locals. Participate in the age-old traditions. For those seeking to bring a piece of home with them, our guide features the top spots to uncover unique and exquisite souvenirs. Let Amritsar's enchanting charm captivate your soul and craft memories that will stand the test of time.